Hello, today is February 7th, 2022. I'm re-recording this video because apparently I made it private instead of public. That was my mistake, so if someone gets a copy of it twice, I apologize. I know you've all seen the rules on my channel. Please trade at your own risk. My last video, I forgot to mention we took this number off the table. We looked for the pattern with the early high, which is this, and tomorrow should have the early low. We looked for lower prices. We certainly got them. During the day, MEJT targeted lower prices, which printed. This rally first was called false. This drop was called false. They both retraced. This move is called false, and that's retraced as well. Well, this is a pretty strong drop here, but it still is a wall into the close. A lot of times these walls are panic selling and they gap up. That's entirely possible for tomorrow. It's particularly possible we dropped all day long. Let's correct that. Dropped hard, but could not undercut at the close any of these prior lows. So if that's maintained at tomorrow's open, it's a positive pattern. Let's take a look at the count from this high. This count doesn't break any rules, but I don't believe it. It says the drop's over with an ABC with decent FEBs. Problem is, if this drop is as strong as it appeared, we shouldn't complete the pattern without making lower lows. There's just one pattern where you can have these impulsive declines and not break to lower lows that I can think of, and that's a leading diagonal triangle. So maybe that's what this is. The counts worked. It's a A, B, C, D, E with a throw over. If that's the right count, and as long as this wave stays shorter than this wave, it's a valid count, we could have a pretty good move up. It's not the only count, I won't claim it is, but it's the most aesthetically pleasing to me, and I'm going to pencil that one in until it's proven wrong. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. It could still gap up. Typically, it's a rally day with a final hour high. If it's weak, then more weakness follows. We have a wall into the close, so gapping up is common. The steep drop couldn't manage a close under prior lows. Breadth actually improved today, and we still need to deal with the huge influx of money into Ridex bear funds. If the current low holds, we could have a decent rally before the decline resumes. Tomorrow has the early low, and that's today's call.